The moral story is about the thirsty crow. There was a crow which was very thirsty. He searched for water everywhere. At last he saw a water bottle near a well. He looked inside. There was a little water inside the bottle. The crow saw a stone nearby. He thought of a plan. He picked up some stones. He put one by one into the bottle. The water level in the bottle came up. The hard work of the crows had paid off. The crow drank the water and flew away happily. The moral of the story is no matter how difficult the time is, one must work patiently and use wisdom to overcome that difficulty. It is possible to solve every problem with patience and intelligence. Until next video, take care and bye bye.